Alright guys, we got a 2007 Infiniti G37. This is what it sounds like before we do anything to it. Go ahead. Do it again. As you guys can see, it's fully straight piped, I guess. Yeah, fully straight pipe, really loud. Here's sound decibels again. Go ahead. So on this Infiniti G37, it does have high flow cats, and then it winds into a single, and it's fully straight piped other than that. There and there. So we're gonna take it off and replace it with this shiny new stuff by Z1 Motorsports. All right guys, 2009 Infiniti G37. We just finished it up. We let you hear what it looked and see what it looked like before. Now this is after. So it's still got the high flow cats there, and they're all wrapped up, and then it winds into a single. And then he ran single exhaust all the way back with Z1 Motorsports. Bolt-on kit all the way back. Z1, if you're paying attention, get you guys some better directions. Good Lord, we have to figure out on our own. Nothing, all your directions and your website and all that doesn't show anything about installing it. So make sure you guys get us better directions in the next packaging when you guys do it. A little bit more detail to help people out. It wasn't that bad for us, but for your normal guy, especially being on the ground, it's not as easy. There it is. Out the back, single exhaust. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there is the old exhaust that was on it, all straight pipe. He's like, I'm done with that sound. I want it a little bit quieter, a little bit deeper. So we said, we got you. We'll hook you up. And there it is after. Stay tuned. So let's see how much of a difference this made, guys. You ready? Go ahead. It's better. It's still got the GQ sound, but a lot quieter. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 105. Again. That's not a bad tone. I like it. And remember, guys, it's all still got a silencer on it right there. So you can take that silencer out and it becomes a lot louder. So I'll let you guys know that. Again. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. What they look like, the silencers, that's what it looks like. It blocks out all the sound and lets it just breathe through right there in the middle. Now it's wide open, as you guys can see. Let's see how big of a difference it made in sound. Ready? Yeah, it's already louder. There's the idle on it. Yeah, it's a big difference. Again. Now you can hear the pop. That sounds perfect. It's better than the straight pipe. Again. Yeah, I like it. That sounds good. Yeah, keep it out. Yeah. Much better without the silencer in there. All right, guys, time for a drive off. Infiniti G37 Coupe with ZR1 Motorsports. Catback, single exhaust. That's a lot of traffic. Nashville, what happened to you? He got in. That sounds good. Had a lot of marble to it.